Number 1. 1982 Chevrolet 4x4, $7,000, Salem, Oregon. This rugged 1982 Chevrolet 4x4 features a 454 V8 engine paired with a recently rebuilt 4-speed manual transmission, new clutch, and fresh wheels and tires. With an odometer that is rolled over, it still represents the era of heavy-duty American workhorses. The truck runs strong and offers a great base restoration or off-road use. Number 2. 1969 Ford F-100 Ranger, $10,000, Colorado Springs, Colorado. A solid and mostly original example. This 1969 Ford F-100 Ranger has been upgraded with a rebuilt 390 V8, performance cam, Edelbrock and Holley components, and Sanderson headers. The C6 automatic with shift kit ensures durability. Interior refinements like a low-car shifter and reupholstered seats make this a driver-friendly classic with strong collector appeal. Number 3. 1958 International Golden Jubilee 1/2 ton, $8,000, Shady Cove, Oregon. This charming 1958 International Golden Jubilee is a rare sight on today's roads. Equipped with a straight-six engine and manual transmission, it remains mostly original with fresh upholstery and good tires. A few cosmetic and mechanical touch-ups would transform it into a standout vintage pickup. Number 4. 1976 Datsun 620 pickup, $9,000, South Salem, Oregon. The Datsun 620 Little Hustler is among the most beloved compact trucks of the 1970s. This long bed version with the L20B engine and 4-speed manual still runs well and retains many original dealer-installed features. At 123,439 miles, it's a well-preserved survivor that appeals to Japanese classic truck enthusiasts. Number 5. 1988 Chevrolet 1500, $2,400, Pasco, Washington. Affordable and reliable, this 1988 Chevrolet 1500 pickup with a 350 carbureted V8 and automatic transmission runs excellent. While not yet highly collectible, it offers a straightforward ownership experience and solid entry into classic truck ownership. Number 6. 1980 International Dump Lift Bed Truck, $8,000, San Luis Obispo, California. Built for hard work, this 1980 International is a dual-function dump and lift bed truck. It features a 400 cubic inch engine and working hydraulics, but needs a valve job. With a clean title and contractor-friendly features, it is best suited for someone who appreciates heavy-duty classics with utility value. Number 7. 1976 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 Camper Special, $6,875, Springfield, Oregon. A one-owner example, this Silverado Camper Special is equipped with a 400 cubic inch engine, automatic transmission, and dual exhaust. With new wheels, dual tanks, and a fiberglass canopy, it remains a capable and authentic 1970s workhorse. Number 8. 1958 Chevrolet Apache Short Bed, $12,500, Tucson, Arizona. This short bed Apache blends 1950s styling with 1970s power. The body is very solid with minimal rust, and under the hood sits a Camaro 350 V8 paired with a Turbo 350 automatic transmission. With a Chevelle 10-bolt rear end, it is a strong candidate for restoration or Restomod. Number 9. 1970 Ford F-250, $12,000, Pasco, Washington. Finished in original blue paint with only light surface rust, this F-250 boasts a strong 390 V8 and smooth shifting automatic. It retains its factory air conditioning system, though it needs a recharge, a well-preserved example of Ford's durable workhorse, ready for immediate enjoyment. Number 10. 1987 Ford F-150, $950, Ephrata, Washington. This budget-friendly 1987 Ford F-150 with a V6 EFI engine shows just over 101,000 miles. It has cosmetic rust and a fuel delivery issue, but benefits from new tires and a fairly clean interior. With some mechanical attention, it could be brought back to reliable condition. Number 11. 1978 Jeep J10 18500s, Midwest City, Oklahoma. An excellent condition J10, this truck features a 360 V8, automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and power accessories. Recent upgrades include new tires, ceramic tint, and a rare Gladiator Rhino grille, a well-maintained, highly collectible Jeep pickup. Number 12. 1977 Ford F-100 Custom, $15,000, Pasco, Washington. This rust-free, dent-free short bed F-100 is a rare survivor. Powered by a 351M V8 and automatic transmission, it runs and drives well. Its originality makes it a prime candidate for full restoration or preservation as an unmodified classic. Number 13. 1979 Ford Half-Ton 4x4, $12,500, Prineville, Oregon. With only 85,400 original miles, this 1979 Ford 4x4 is powered by a 6-cylinder engine paired with a 4-speed manual. It retains original paint and comes with a toolbox, making it both authentic and functional. A great classic for those seeking originality. Number 14, 1976 Dodge Power Wagon, $16,200, Sun Valley, California. This 1976 Dodge Power Wagon remains a strong-running 4-wheel drive truck with a manual transmission and 6-cylinder engine. The body is in very good condition, making it a rare find among Mopar trucks of the era, a desirable piece for Dodge enthusiasts.